What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Google Play Store on your PC fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just open your Google Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, just install it fast. After that, click on this and you will see here Google Play. Click on Google Play, go in right corner and you will see here save and share. Go here create shortcut and check this open as window and go here create. After that, you will get Google Play app on your PC. Also you will get a desktop icon. I'll show you next step how to install Google Play Store on your PC. The next step is go on your browser and type Memo Play. Memo Play is Android emulator like BlueStacks and others. Go here on download and install Memo Play on your PC. After installing Memo Play like me, you will get this window. Go here on Play Store. Go in right corner and sign in on your Google account. After that, you can use Google Play and install games on your PC. And that's it all guys, how to download and install Google Play Store on your PC fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.